Today's simple recipe is easy sweet potatoes and lentils curry. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. I've got here 1 white onion. This is gonna get cut into cubes. Same with the sweet potatoes, which are about 400 grams. 2 small sweet potatoes is what you need. Now set the pan on medium-high heat and in goes about 2-3 tablespoons of veg oil. When the pan is hot enough, you can go in with your vegetables. Now we're gonna cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the onion starts getting a bit of that golden color. Now we begin seeing a bit of caramelization both on the potatoes and on the onions. We're going in with 2 tablespoons of Thai curry paste. This is great and it makes our life so much easier, especially because it's got all sorts of ingredients in there that if you were to buy them separately, you know you're gonna end up with like a huge list. Once you added your Thai curry paste in, make sure that you cook this for a further 2 minutes. This will enhance the flavor of your whole dish. Now the Thai curry paste does have all sorts of ingredients and I'm kind of happy with the flavors it provides, but we still need some salt in there. So I'm going in with half teaspoon of salt. Once we're happy with what we see here, we're going in with 100 grams of red lentils. Now make sure that you wash them, I check them so there's no impurities in there. And in it goes. Cook this like a risotto. I'm not sure if you are aware like how risotto gets cooked. We're adding the veg stock gradually. Veg stock, chicken stock, whichever the stock you prefer. And we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes or until the lentils are cooked, but you still want them to have a bit of a bite. So don't cook them all the way through. Make sure that you add your stock gradually and halfway through the cooking process, we're gonna get in 1 fresh chopped tomato. So we added 200 milliliters of coconut milk. Now it all comes of how much you love coconut. In this situation, I want to keep it on the lighter side. So after about 3 minutes of cooking, this still looks a bit too liquid. That's not a problem. We're gonna get a lid on and the lentils will continue kind of absorbing some of that sauce while we prepare the rice, which is most likely the garnish we're gonna serve this with. See you in the next one.